welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, and today we're gonna have an early look at the University Blue Air Jordan 1, so let's get to it. Okay, so here is the box, and it took about 12 days to get here. I'm not sure. I just ordered them and just waited because I knew they were gonna take a while, but they finally got here today, so I had to make the video real quick for you guys. But just one more side, and we're doing it with the Supreme knife. Forgot to do that. I always do that. And all right, let's see what's in this bad boy. Okay, so we have some wrapping paper right here. I'll set this over here to the side. And okay, so straight into it, we have the traditional Nike Air Jordan 1 box. Nothing new, but let me take them out, set that to the side. And of course, on the bottom, we have our Nike Air logos, all that stuff. The Nike swoosh logo right here on these sides. Then we have, of course, the other logo, same as the other side. And then we have our sizing right here in the front. You can't see it, but I'll read it out. It says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colors are white, black, university blue. So retail for these is going to be $170, and they will be releasing March 6th. And all right, let's see how they look. Okay, so these look fire. Damn. So here is the shoe in its full form. Can't believe I actually have these in my hand right now, but okay, so let me take both of the pairs out so you guys can see them well. Okay, so we have our extra set of laces right here. They are like baby blues, but university blue in these terms. Both of your set of laces are here for both shoes. And we have the Air Jordan Wings logo in black. And then all the blue that you see on the uppers, it's all suede. None of it is leather, only the Nike swoosh logo and the white and the toe box. Same as the other side. All the blue is suede, leather, and then leather right here for the ankle collar. That's how you pronounce it, I don't know, or the word for it. But then the midsole is all white, and then the outsole is also university blue. So, and then we have our little Nike swoosh logo right here. And to be honest, there's really nothing much else to this shoe. Material is polyester for the tongue, and then for the color as well, it is blue. It's not focusing, but I will show you the close-up shots. And then we have your shoe tree inside, cardboard, and then you have the Nike Air logo inside the insole, but you guys can't tell because of the lighting and the focus of the camera. But let me get you guys the close-up shots and the on feet, because I gotta try these on. I can't just leave them like that. But all right, let's get to the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. video on these Air Jordan 1s in the University Blue colorway. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe, if you guys will rock or if you guys will drop. But if you guys are going to rock, good luck on the sneakers app March 6th. But I hope you guys enjoyed this early look at this beautiful shoe. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.